The final match of the group stage of CPL 2020 features the Jamaica Talawas against the St. Lucia Zouks. Let's build our fantasy team then on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo. I'm Ron Kapoor. Joining me soon, my colleague Gaurav Sundararaman. So one last workout then for both teams that are already through to the semi-finals. Stiffer opposition awaits them. You have the TKR for Jamaica Talawas, at the same time St. Lucia Zouks getting ready to take on the Guyana Amazon Warriors. Let's go to our pro tip. And we know that both teams would want to peak towards this end of the season, and they are facing those teams, like I mentioned, stronger opposition. Good chance that they both will field their best teams, therefore. Take all the spinners possible in your team. Yes? Why the spinners?
So in the entire tournament, you must have seen how well the spinners have done, and most of the teams are not able to play quality spinners. And you do have the likes of Mujib, Sandeep, Mohammad Nabi in this particular matchup. So I think all teams are going to rely on these key spinners, and you just continue to back them. The pitchers are helping the spinners a lot, and either they lose their wickets to the spinners or they're just playing them out. So either way, it's a win-win.
Right, let's build our team then. Before that, quick reminder on the My 11 Circle Fantasy app, 100 credits for every user to pick their fantasy team. 4 categories of players to choose from: batsmen, bowlers, wicket-keepers and all-rounders. You can pick a maximum of 7 players from one team in any contest, and 4 substitutes as well that will help you pick towards the end. Let's move towards our team, and in our top picks, our captain choice for this one is Mohammad Nabi. Whenever the Zouks have played, we know that Mohammad Nabi has almost always featured, and he's almost always been a captain choice or a vice-captain choice. Gaurav is backing spin to continue to play a heavy role through the fag end of the tournament, and Mohammad Nabi is somebody that's been simply outstanding. He's done the damage with the bat on occasions as well, and 11 wickets at an economy of under 5. He's a straightforward choice as your captain. Mujibur Rahman, his compatriot, features as our vice-captain recommendation, and it's vice-captain time for Mujib, who has been captain in the past. You know, he's had an exceptional CPL 2020 economy of just over 5, 13 wickets. He takes a wicket every 16 balls, and he's been the standout even when he's been bowling with the new ball in the power play. So Mujib is our vice-captain selection. And among our top picks, 2 regular features whenever their teams play again. Glenn Phillips is there, so too is Andre Russell. We know that the Talawas batting is dependent on the kind of start that Phillips gives them, and he is among the leading run scorers this season. Certainly the leading run scorer for the Talawas, 265 runs from 9 matches, and we're backing him to score big ahead of the playoffs. Andre Russell's there as well. No fantasy team is complete without Russell, who tends to save his best for the bigger stage. So now that we're reaching what should be a couple of crunch games for Jamaica Talawas, don't keep Andre Russell out of your calculation. Mohammad Nabi is captain, Mujib is vice-captain, and Glenn Phillips and Andre Russell among our top picks. I guess it was a call between Nabi and Mujib as to who you make captain and who you make vice-captain, and Nabi seems to be the outstanding player this season, doesn't it, Gaurav?
Yes, and obviously he's going to get points with the bat as well. So that probability gives Nabi the edge over Mujib. And similarly, when you look at Andre Russell, for that matter, he's not been bowling at all. I guess he's reserving himself for the IPL, or he wants to get back into full fitness before he bowls. So he is not part of the captain or vice-captain list. Having said that, he did bat at number 4 the last match against the Barbados Tridents, and he's in excellent nick with the bat. So you can expect him to score pretty heavily in the semi-finals.
Let's move to some value picks then, and we've heard the name of Javel Glenn. If you've been following CPL 2020, he's listed as a batsman, but he did bowl his first ever spell in what was a crunch game against the Tridents and managed to successfully help his side defend a low score. So he now has 3 wickets at an economy rate of 5, and he can contribute with bat. So Javel Glenn among our value picks. Zahir Khan as well. He may not have played enough matches for the St. Lucia Zouks this season, but he has been economical. We've seen him concede just 6.6 runs per over in the tournament, 3 wickets as well, an X factor potentially leading up to the playoffs. Looking at our full team then, Andre Fletcher and Glenn Phillips feature as keeper options, followed by Javel Glenn, Mohammad Nabi, our captain choice, Andre Russell, Roston Chase, Scott Kuggeleijn and Carlos Brathwaite. Mujibur Rahman is our vice-captain recommendation, Sandeep Lamichhane and Zahir Khan. So plenty of spin as our pro tip suggests. And our substitutes for this one, Najibullah Zadran, Rovman Powell, Fidel Edwards, Mark Dayal. Now, I know that Fidel Edwards has been high on Darren Ganga's priority list, GS. You tend to always have him as a backup sort of option.
Yeah, he's been going for a lot of runs as well. Yes, he's been pretty threatening. He does bowl early on. He has taken some early wickets, but I guess there are other options other players who've been doing slightly better. So that's why Fidel Edwards is more of a backup.
All right, fair point, JS. A quick reminder again, only after the playing 11 should you confirm your fantasy team. It is a game of no consequence. Both teams have made it to the playoffs, but we do know that they could feel their best lineups just the same. We'll be back with some My 11 Circle fantasy pick on ESPN Cricinfo ahead of the semi-finals as well.